Alright, yes, my people. As you can see, me the right here so now with two big pot on the stove. And me I put coal under them. Cause we are do some backyard cooking for the homeless today, Sunday. But we have video time.
Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday. And guess who tell me something? Blessing there Jamaica and blessing is the head cook and buckle washer in a it.
I see a blessings over here, so
So
I peel some
so it's a
potato.
blessing over there, so I peel some
So
potato.
what he's gonna do that is gonna go into the curry chicken and it kind of helps to give it a more body and the thing nice. So
Yes.
let me do it.
So people, listen, we just are sending on an introduction right now. So what have to do
Introduction.
What name?
Introduction.
Me just are selling a, they understand when me say introduction. A Jamaica backyard introduction this. So right now, you just like, share, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get the right video. Okay? But